Struggling to find the Lottie widget in Elementor? Unlock Pro and start adding animations to your site in under 4 minutes. First, we'll open the homepage editor. Then, we'll click through the Pro options until we find Lottie. Finally, you'll upgrade to activate it.
Go to Edit Home with Elementor. Click on Highlight. Click on Highlight. Click on Pro. Click on Pro. Click on Lottie. Click on Use Lottie Widget and dozens more Pro features to extend your toolbox and build sites faster and better. Click on Upgrade Now. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.